One of the things that we know about the equipment rental business is that sometimes equipment failure is inevitable. You might have something hidden or something that you can't see every day, or maybe a hydraulic hose, under a cab that you can't see. And I mean, we're strong believers in it's not the problems that hurt us, it's how we handle them. And one of the things we've done by streamlining our SKUs and having a lot of the same type of equipment is we have a lot of parts in stock that most places don't even carry. If something breaks, we don't buy one, we buy two. That way we can get people back up and running. We amaze people from time to time when that will come out to their job site and maybe a unique type handle breaks on it or something like that. And we're like, oh, we have that in stock. So we have a fully stocked service truck, and we're no stranger to getting things back up and running. We know that equipment downtime is expensive. It's expensive for us, and it's definitely expensive for the person renting it. So more often than not, unless we have a slew of time-sensitive deliveries, if you call us up and there's an issue, we're going to stop what we're doing and we're going to focus all of our energy on making sure that you're getting back up and running properly.